Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll pick the exact part of the YouTube song you want. This saves time later. Once chosen, download the audio as an MP3 using a trusted converter and name the file clearly. Then, open a simple audio editor to trim to about 30 seconds. Shorter ringtones are cuter and avoid licensing headaches. Make sure you export at 44, 1K HZ or standard bitrate so the phone accepts it. After export, move the file into a dedicated folder for easy access. Now convert the trimmed MP3 to the correct format for your phone. For iPhone, change the extension to M4R and import into iTunes or Finder, then sync under tones. For Android, keep MP3 and copy it into the ringtones folder using USB or a cloud app. Once pasted, run a media rescan or reboot. Once done, open Settings Sound to preview. If the tone doesn't appear, double-check file name and folder location. Permissions sometimes block new audio files. Finally, set the ringtone in your phone's sound settings. Choose global ringtone or assign to a specific contact. Once selected, test with a call or use the preview option to confirm volume and start point. If it doesn't show up, reboot the device, rescan media, or reconnect and resync from your computer. If playback is choppy, reconvert at a standard bitrate and ensure the file is in the correct folder. One troubleshooting tip: if iPhone won't accept it, recreate the M4R in iTunes and resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.